What's up, YouTube? Bringing a very short video. I know I haven't been on in a hot minute. Life's happened. I took command of a company in the Army, so I've been caught up with that stuff, and also had some incidents that happened, taking a lot of my time. Some of them uncontrollable, some of them by some people. If you've been in the Army, you know what I'm talking about, just some soldiers being soldiers. But I'm gonna bring you a new video, short, sweet, to the point, and that is about the little chair that we got right over there. That thing's amazing so far, so good, and it's called the Trek Terra. So you just sit on it, right? And let me tell you, I've cleaned 3 of the wheels. This is about to be the 4th one. Makes cleaning wheels in general just so much easier. I'm pretty sure that's not what it's for, or at least not one of the main things it's for, but oh man, I can tell right now it's a lifesaver. So if you're looking into a little chair like that, totally worth it, especially if you buy it from Costco. So again, just so you can see, I am sitting on this chair, right? Just makes it easier. Get to spray whatever I spray, right? Oof, kind of messy, but you know. Spray it there, yada yada yada. And again, I don't have to break my back like I used to, having to like bend down and do certain things. Oh, look, I missed some spots. If you know, you know. If you clean your wheels, it's a pain in the butt on your legs, on your knees, on your back, and this chair just makes it so much easier. You can put stuff here. Obviously, I haven't put anything there, but it's my first time using it, so hopefully, you know, it's a little great tool, and I can tell you right now it's an awesome tool, and I've only used it for 3 of my wheels. So, and I'm going to obviously do it for the Mustang and the 4Runner eventually, but totally worth it if you were thinking of getting one. It saves your back a lot. Here's just some more examples. Get to clean up in here, right? Again, I don't really have to break my back like I used to and getting in all these weird positions. Again, if you know, you know. It just makes life so much easier. I'll get back to it when I use some other tools. Cleaning right here, right? Boom, 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 boom. Get the edges. Cleaning with this, the wheel brush. Getting up in there. Again, super easy. I mean, I don't know how, like you can just see here, just it does not break my back as much. I still have to bend over. Yes, of course, it's not perfect, but compared to what I used to have to do. And again, like I said earlier, like if you know, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's just miserable, and boom. And it makes cleaning all these 4 wheels and tires just significantly easier. Yep. Basically, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Like I said, I've had a rough month in the Army. I'm fine, totally fine. On top of that, had a medical issue yesterday, so there's that. But I'm totally fine. Everything's good. Just a couple of lefts and rights from the world, but I'm back up. Hopefully getting you guys more videos soon. Something about the truck, something about the Mustang. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hopefully you guys enjoy.